so stunning. Hello my loves, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby, if you don't know who I am, and today I'm going to be filming a massive White Fox Boutique haul, and just as a little sneak peek, everything is stunning. Like, everything that I chose out fits me like a glove, and I can't wait to show you guys. There's heaps of variety. I've got literally the best pair of jeans I've ever tried on in my life. I've got some dresses, I got some bathers from White Fox Swim, heaps to pick from. I do have a discount code for you guys as well. My discount code is literally just my name, so just Ruby at checkout. White Fox's Black Friday sales start on the 23rd of November, Australian Eastern Standard Time, and they go until the 1st of December. So over that period, my code will be worth 30% off, and after that date, it will be 15% off. So go treat yourself, queens. White Fox also has White Fox Swim, White Fox Active. Afterpay is available for all Australian, US, and New Zealand customers, and they offer express worldwide shipping as well. Get keen, get excited. You can literally see just from this outfit that everything is gonna be stunning. So let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, here is the first outfit. Can we just have a moment to appreciate how beautiful this set is? This is the Alone With You mini skirt. It is low-waisted. It's a low-waisted skirt. I've spent ages and looked everywhere trying to find one. So when I saw it, I was like, yes, done, let's get it. This is the Count Me In bustier? I don't know how to say it, but it's one of those like corset-y type tops. And just like, look at how cute it is. Like the matching vibe. It's just so stunning. It's so stylish. I've paired it with white heels. These are also from White Fox. I just can't remember the name, but how cute. It's like a white bag or a black bag. So stunning. I'm literally obsessed. Like, you can kind of see like the gap here, like when you move around. And I just think it's so in trend at the moment to wear like pieces like this, like the low skirt, the little corset-y type top. So I am in love, and I cannot wait so I can wear it out. But it's literally stunning. I'm obsessed. I love it. My phone just ran out of storage. I was so stressed out. This is the second outfit. This is the Go Blod Mini. I'm pretty sure. I'll put all the links and names and sizes all in the description box below for your reference. But this dress, I actually wasn't gonna get this dress because I have like 4 dresses that are all like t-shirt style up the top. I'm obsessed, and I think, especially in Melbourne, if you could see the weather outside, you'll know what I mean. But it's just so nice in Melbourne because it keeps you a bit warm. It closes you up a tiny bit. You can still look hot as. So that's why I like them. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get it. Plus it was orange. I love the color orange. This dress is literally stunning. It fits me like a glove. Like, look at it. I'm so excited to wear this dress out. I think it's so cute. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's like shiny material. Can you see? It's really good quality. It's like, it's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. It's a really nice medium. And I just think it's so nice and so comfy and so flattering. And I really like where the t-shirt ends. It's not too short. Some dresses like this are a bit too short, but this is literally perfect. I'm obsessed. Woohoo! I love this dress so much. Guys, I think that I found the best pair of jeans to exist in the entire world ever. Can we just have a moment for the jeans? These are the Long Way to Go jeans. I actually got these in an extra small. I always buy jeans in a size small because I'm too afraid of them being too small. I prefer them to be a bit bigger. But one of my friends bought jeans from White Fox and she was like, I got an extra small. How do you wear a size small? And I was like, I don't know. I've never tried an extra small. So I bought an extra small. They're perfect. Like, and there's room, I can breathe, I can squat, like, they're stunning. They're a tiny bit too long on me, which you can see the whole thing if I stand like over here. No, you still can't. Can you see that? Right there? They're a tiny bit long on me. Everywhere sits perfectly. Ooh. I'm literally obsessed. I can't wait to wear these out. I love them so much. Even with heels, it looks so cute. Okay, I also got this top. This is the hyper up crop, I'm pretty sure. It's like in a cute like mocha brown color. Look at it. How stunning is this top? It's so cute. I'm so excited to wear this out. And it's like a halter neck design, which is so cute and so trendy. And I think it looks really great with this outfit. This is how I envisioned it in my head. And I can't wait to wear it out. This is like a, you would have seen it close up, but it's like a ribbed material, as you can see. And like you can make this like as long or as short as you'd like. I'm gonna show you guys another top that I got from White Fox in a moment. That looks really cute with these jeans. Okay guys, here's the next top. It's literally the cutest color ever. This is on My Mind's set crop. This is in a cute little coral color. Look at it. It's like a ribbed material. Don't mind the nipple covers. You can kind of see them. Oopsies. Yeah, it's so cute. I've just like tied it up at the back there. And I've matched it up with my new favorite pair of jeans ever. I just think it's the cutest outfit with like a cute white bag. I've got cute white heels on. It's literally so cute. I think it's the perfect like summer top, like white linen pants or a linen skirt or linen shorts. I don't know. I think it's just so cute with like denim or white. Like it's just such a vibe. I love it. It's also like kind of thick, like over here. Like it's like, can you see that? It's like lined. On to the next outfit. Guys, here is something a little different for me. It's not something I usually go for, but I decided to step out of my comfort zone. This is the Girl Crush set. It's like in a really pretty sage color. I'll show it to you close up. If you have a look at the material, it's like that shiny material, similar to the material of the orange dress. And it's so cute because at the back, it's like ruched where the zip is, which I think is so stunning. It is long. I don't know if you can tell. Well, now you probably can, but it's a maxi skirt. And that has a mini cutout on it. Can you see that? I hope so. It's literally so stunning. Like imagine, well, I've got white heels on with this, but like imagine with like a white bag, some sunnies, gold jewelry. What a vibe. Like it's stunning. I really want to wear this out somewhere. I think it's just so flattering and so cute. I love it so much. I don't really know what else to say about this except for the fact that it's very flattering. Like it sits at the perfect spot on my waist. I am wearing this with a bra just because this part is a tiny bit long for me without a bra on, but it kind of works out, so it's okay. I'm literally obsessed with this set. I feel like I've said that about everything, but literally everything I got is perfect. So these are the We Are the One shorts, and this is the, I just read it, the Secret Romance crop. And look at how cute it is. This is the material. So stunning. It's like a, I don't even know what to describe it as, to be honest. I'm very not talented at this. Kind of like fuzzy. It's very soft. It's not knit, but like it kind of feels like it is, but like it's really not. Oh, you can pull it in. Whoop. You can cinch your waist. Anyway, this is super comfortable. It actually comes in a few colors, but I thought the cream would be the cutest, and I've matched it up with my dunks because I thought that would be a cute vibe. This is what it looks like from the back. It's very flattering. In my humble opinion, I think it's very flattering. I really like the shorts. I definitely will be wearing this out and about. I think it's super just like perfect for when you need like a quick, cute outfit last minute. This is kind of keeping me a bit warm, so I'm happy about that. But it's a very cute outfit, very cute, very flattering. Take a shot every time I say cute. Let's take a moment. The color of this dress is stunning. It's so pretty. Also, just quietly, this is very similar material to the orange dress and the green set. It's all literally immaculate. Look at how stunning that is. Like, it's super flattering. It's super comfy. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's literally perfect. And like, it's all like, got like the layer underneath. Lining, is that lining? I don't know, I'm no fashion expert. But how cute is this? What a vibe. I think this is so perfect. Again, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really like to wear things that are convenient to wear. Like, for example, with this dress, I can wear a bra, no problem. I can wear this lower or higher, and if I'm cold, like, not everything is showing. But I can also wear it when it's like super warm. You know, like, it's such a vibe. I love wearing convenient clothes. You know, like, I'm not all about this strappy stuff. Like, it really stresses me out to wear strappy things because I get so cold. I'm just a very cold person. But this dress is just like one of those dresses that can be such a staple. It also comes in black and it comes in like a khaki color. And I think the black, you can just wear it over and over and over again. And it doesn't matter because it just looks so good, you know? So this dress is definitely going to be worn. And it's going to be worn a few times, I reckon. I love it. Do you guys love it? Because I love it. And I never told you guys what the name was, did I? This is the Natural Element mini dress. And it couldn't be more fitting because I feel like I'm in my natural element of wearing a comfortable dress right now. Look, it's so stylish, but it's so convenient. I love it so much. Okay guys, here is my next 2 outfits, or like 1.5 outfits. This is the I've Got a Feeling shorts, the Take Me Out shirt, and the color matches. But I've also paired it up with my new White Fox swim bathers. These are the Tropicana print bathers. I can't tell which side's up. I have the Cali bottoms and the Copacabana. I'll put the link down below, but it's the bikini top and they're both in a size extra small. Now, you guys might be a bit disappointed. You're like, well, Ruby, you know, we really want to see what the bikini bottoms look like on you. But my grandma watches my YouTube videos and she would not respond to me trying on these bather bottoms on YouTube with like, yes, queen, drop your workout routine, slay, woo. No, she would call me up and she would yell at me. So this is all you're getting from me, but I get to show you the details of the bathers without showing you my bum cheeks. So, you know, it's not that much of a loss. But they're like literally like fruity. Look at it. There's like a watermelon and a peach, and I think those are grapes, blue grapes, and some leaves. And there's a strawberry and some palm trees. I just think they're so cute, right? And they like match together. I'm really excited to wear these to the beach with like a really nice tan. But also I really like how, I don't know if you can see this, but it says White Fox here in like gold. I think that's so cute. That's the back of the bikini top. And that's the front. And I think it's super pretty. You can kind of imagine that. That's this outfit. Okay guys, here's the second last outfit. This one is like cute and comfy and cash. I just have some green tea because I'm so cold that I can't turn the heater on until I finish filming this video because you'll hear it in the background. Okay, so this cute little casual stage set. This is the Established tee. Super basic and cute. And these are the signature bike shorts to match. They're the same color, the same shade of sage, and they are super cute. If you know me, if you're an OG, you know that I love White Fox Boutique's t-shirts. I think they're literally the best things to ever exist. I literally wear my White Fox t-shirts like all the time. Like I wear them out, I wear them at home. I wear them all the time. So I had to get my hands on this, especially this color, because it's one of my favorite colors. I just thought this was a super cute outfit just to wear with like Converse or Air Force Ones. And like I wear it out to like a cute brunch, but I could also wear it to like, I don't know, to go to Coles to pick up some chicken, you know? Actually, this is the first time I've ever tried White Fox's bike shorts. And they're super comfy. Like last summer, when everyone was wearing bike shorts like 24/7, I literally heard so many good things about the bike shorts. So when the chance came up, I was like, I'm gonna get them, I'm gonna try them out. And they're really, really comfortable. They're like tight at the bottom, which is good. But they've got like elastic waistband. They're tight, but they're stretchy. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but it's my best description of them. They look cute on the bum. So yeah, I definitely won't want these to be my last pair of White Fox bike shorts. Last but not least is the, drumroll, the Fashion Highlights dress. Again, it will be linked down below in case I got that wrong, but can we just take a moment to appreciate this dress? Look at it. It's like the cutest material. It's like a warm material, and the rings, so there's a ring there and then there's a ring here and here. They're all gold, so they match my jewelry, and like gold's trending right now, so that's really cute. But then the back, it's all connected. Can you have a look at that? Honestly, I've probably done it wrong, but my mum's not home, so she can't help me, so I just kind of had to do it myself. Look at how cute this dress is. And like, I've paired this dress up with some heels right now. White Fox heels, as always. But I think that this dress would look just as cute with literally a pair of Air Force Ones on. Like, it would be top tier, like the cutest thing ever. And I think it like can be worn for so many different occasions and like dressed up and dressed down. So I think that's epic. I've seen a few people actually wearing this dress out and about, so we really rate this. It's literally stunning. I love the color green. I love wearing it. I love seeing it. It's literally just perfect. So we rate this dress 10 out of 10. Okay guys, that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. You got inspired to choose out some new outfits. Treat yourself this Black Friday. Don't forget, my code is RUBY, 30% off until the 1st of December. And after that, it will be 15% off. So go treat yourselves. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification button. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Love you all so much.